Alright, so we're in New Forest National Park. Walking land by Sippy taps. Yeah, boy. Okay, why are you doing it? Lol. Hold the mouse. See, already. भर्खरै पार्किङ गरेर हो रिङ्गोबाट तिरेर हो excited faces. Let's go.
Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the newborn moon? Or a screaming bobcat watching?
Oi?
Can you sing with all the colors of the mountain? मन परेन
किन किन
एउटा मान्छे पनि छैन Mind you, it hasn't even been 1 minute.
भर्खर त सुरु भएको अनि कस्तो लाग्यो मम्मी दादाहरूलाई पठाउन लाग्यो क्या ग्रुप च्याटमा
I'm scary. Nobody.
We're about to head off to Deer Sanctuary, and there is a cafe there, so we shall stop and take a chill pill. What do you think about my fit? Rate it out of 5 in the comment section. Now we believe it. Ray-Ban ko meta glasses later. Okay. Hey Meta. Take a video. As you can see, it's flashing. So quite useful content lagi. Udah. Wait. Oi. Oi.
Oh, I think they're coming this way.
Oi, look, it's a baby horse. Slim है ये
Baby. घोडाको baby.
Hello.
Look how that white one. It looks like...
Hey. Hello. You're a good boy.
Hello. Oh, it's headed towards you.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello.
Answer you le.
Hello.
Sabi ye dang ka puto nang.
क्या हुन्न? Hello. Hello.
Dangling.
Oh, Mr. Naughty Boy.
Hello. Boy.
Hey. Hello. Hello, Ginger. Hello.
Yeah, I think so.
Hello, R1. यसको नाम रहेछ नि
Oh yeah.
R1. रोनाल्डो चिन्छस् तँले? R7. आज चाहिँ डियर देख्छ कि देख्दैन यहाँदेखि चाहिँ डियर हेर्ने ठाउँ बिहानको 5 बजीतिर निस्किँदो रहेछ नर्मली हामी चाहिँ अहिले in the afternoon 16:02 so 4 बजे थियो मान्छेहरु पनि टन्न छ यता रहेछ यार मजाको पिकनिक एरिया त कार पार्क नि यता राम्रो रहेछ यो छ है रिङ्गोमा गयो भने चाहिँ 65512 लोकेसनमा रहेछ cafe. Excuse me.
Hi.
Is there a cafe here?
No, there's just some ice cream.
Just straight ahead.
Little van just to the other side of the car park.
Okay. So New Forest trick चाहिँ यहाँ सक्यो पिकनिक एरिया अनि यहाँ म्यापमा हेऱ्यो भने चाहिँ एउटा क्याफे भन्छ हैन तर जस ट्रेलरमा चाहिँ खानेकुरा आइसक्रिम कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स एन्ड हट ड्रिंक्स यहाँ त टोयलेट पार्किङ आज hot day where it's so busy. Look at these trees, bro. Ice cream, what is it?
Just 2 single raspberries.
Brownie and white chocolate and cookie dough.
Can I please get the double scoop waffle cone? Yeah. Brownie, white chocolate, and what's the other one? Cookie dough. Cookie dough, please.
Cookie dough, yeah.
And a single or a double? Single. Single waffle cone with.
So,
Yeah, and I can taste the cookie.
few spots here. Take a bottle of like ice latte and then mint.
Chocolate chip.
Oh yeah, उसका तो पगले सा ऐसा. ओई. Ooh, down at that. There's a cookie dough and white chocolate. Wait. तपाईँको यो orange drink त क्या माया लाग्दो है? सानो रहेछ क्या. आइस लाटे नि यस्तोमा देखेको फर्स्ट टाइम हो यार. तर यहाँ look at this spot. यस्तो हरेको यहाँ. Hey Mata, take a video. Here they go, relaxing. You know? So you just sit down here and chill. God damn mother. Look. I made my phone.
Myself? I knew you were going to do that.
सब चाहिँ यो समिन यता पछाडी
Wait.
It's really soft.
खास सबिन
आइसक्रिम से खानु मिठो हो कि
हेर्दै क्या पिसफुल लाग्ने Let's say on the way back types cowboy types Wait, कालो घोडा Oh my god, a real life horse Oi, अर्को घोडा घोडा number 1 घोडा number 2 क्या मजाले खाएको यार यसले त म यो त नजानु यसको छेउमा त नजानु यसले त हान्छ खुट्टा चिलाउँदैछ यसको
These are all not the iron nose. Oh, nice.
हेलो उता नि रहेछ है यो त अलि सन्की रहेछ Yeah, I think that's the sign, bro. Bakari Guildford, Mapuga, Seen Viet Quam, Vietnamese restaurant, or the farm. Refreshing. 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 Oh, pani ni pare na refreshing.
This is what you use to make your iced coffee, don't you?
Oh yeah.
This,
Yes, it is.
Container.
Cheese. She's mine. She's to use well, man. Pate khane.
Padio. Who padding?
मलाई lemon नै राम्रो लाग्यो.
You're welcome, guys. You're welcome.
Lemon नै खान्छ. Then the one. The watermelon. Watermelon the normal side. मलाई यो ठीक लाग्यो. Lemonade. Yum yum.
Same coffee. Coffee to you don't.
Oh, mine is so good.
And we see the pork and prawn spring roll. Good shit. Beef curry. Beef curry with jasmine rice. Let's go. So beef with rice, jasmine rice. That sauce. Rich. That sauce, bro. You asked him, was it?
Noodle salad.
Apa kasi kaya?
Way. Signature way.
Okay. Nice. Oh yeah. Sticky rice, huh? Nice.
The flavor is really good.
Mother sabhi jagah beef curry tha bhane. Nice. मलाई तिम्रो यो नट चाहिँ हरिब लाग्यो अनि with that sauce there.
Yeah, sometimes.
Huh? Noodle salad.
Sometimes it goes wrong. Most of the time, she got right.
Does anyone want to try it?
Yeah.
It's good.
त्यो नटको क्रन्चीनेस त हरिब है. Not bad.